This is your clutch master pump adjustment screw. So as the clutch wears down over, this car is what year is this? 2009, so it's 13 years old. So when you feel that you push
You told me
your pedal,
2010, but that's okay.
it's 11
It was built in 09.
November 09. So
Okay.
obviously they didn't sell it to you in December. So
They didn't
it's
sell it to
10.
me, but that's okay.
10.
Anyways,
So
go ahead.
as you
It
feel,
wears down.
as you feel a gap, you're supposed to physically go in there and you turn this rod out and you make up for that gap. So you have full use of your clutch and you
Okay.
don't need up your synchros, and then you're on YouTube looking how to replace my synchros. So as the gap grows, if it's too tight, then obviously you turn it in, and you want to have what they call a little air gap. So you want to have just a little bit of air gap, and then once that air gap starts to go away, then you turn it outward. My friend here never adjusted any of this,
So see, that's me.
and he killed the pump because obviously you're not taking the full advantage of the pump inside because the air gap has gotten worse and worse. But it's okay. We already got him a new one.
All right. So okay. So you're gonna take the camera and show down there where are the little screws, the little two screws,
They're two nuts, but
the
yes.
two nuts. Yeah, whatever. Where or are they down there? Because there's no videos on YouTube on how to do that. So do your best.
If you look up there, there's one there, and then there's one all the way in the upper area, which I can't get the phone in there. But you get the idea. There's one there, one over there. You remove the little through pin on the pedal. You remove those two 12mm nuts, and the pump will come out of the front.
Okay. Got it? And then we got the pump over here. And this one has no reservoir, right? So it's directly, it shares through the master or whatever. So that's a new pump there. And we got the old pump over here. All right. So 2010 Miata Master, whatever. It goes to show that I really don't know what I'm talking about. But he did it for me. Thank you.